Hey guys, in this video I got this Murder Drones Deskmat right here, and wow, I can literally take a peek at it, surprisingly. But yeah, I bought it back in I bought it back in November 23 when they just announced it. Yeah, as you can see right here, I bought it and it took like 2 weeks to ship out. Well, December 10th, and yeah, it arrived today. I'm actually quite surprised I received this early, but yeah, let's unbox it. Oh, and I bought it when it just got released, so this is probably the first unboxing video of it. So yeah, let's unbox it. Oh no. Oh wait, actually, let me show you something. They mark it as tools, which is kind of odd. Oh, and it's quite heavy too, so yeah, that's that. So let's unbox it and see what we got. Oh wow, that's big actually. How do I open this out? Oh no, I found it. That's some pretty tight packaging right here. Oh. Well, here it is. Oh wow, that's big. Oh my god, that's way too big. Wait. Wow, that's actually quite big. It doesn't even fit my desk, so yeah, I got to arrange my computer setup. Well, anyway, let's check out the quantity of it. What the? That's way too big, I swear. Oh. Well, anyway, smells like brand new rubber, as expected. Well, I mean, the print isn't too bad. Yeah, isn't too bad. Quite sharp actually. And that, I guess. But yeah, looks like it's fine. I don't see any defects, luckily. So yeah, let's get to arranging it. I mean, let me just rearrange myself so that it will actually fit. Oh my god, that's way too big. But yeah, let's rearrange my setup. Alright, there we go. All set up now. Well, I mean, it does look way cleaner now. Yep. And I mean, this desk mat is actually pretty big. It barely fit my table. So yeah, and I guess this performs as good as a normal mouse pad. So yeah, actually, let's try a typing test with the desk mat and compare it to without the desk mat. So yeah. Oh wow, that's fast. Well, I mean, they do sound basically the same. It's just that it's way less hollow now. But yeah, I have to unplug my light. And now I have to power it externally because it's literally not long enough to plug into my computer. But yeah, it does look pretty. But anyway, well, the only issue I found with the desk mat is it's not flat enough. Hopefully it resolves by itself. But yeah, I quite like it and fits quite well too. So yeah, I think this is it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.